Yahboom.
I'm here.
First, pick up the yellow duck for me, then dance for me, and finally pick up the green cube for me.
Okay, I'll get started. Task complete. I finished.
Hi Yahboom.
I'm here.
Tracking an object on the building.
Target spotted. Basketball on top of it. Prepare to track.
Hi Yahboom.
I'm here.
Place the red block in front of the 3-cm blue block. Then place the blue block to the right of the 3-cm red block. And finally, place the red block on top of the 3-cm blue block.
Okay, I'll get started now. All tasks are complete. The red wooden blocks are now stacked on top of the blue wooden blocks.
Hi Yahboom.
I'm here.
Dry waste and recyclable garbage are sorted while the remaining garbage remains on chain.
Sorting begins. Let's start with dry garbage first. All the trash has been sorted. Task complete.
Hi Yahboom.
I'm here.
Describe the signs in front of you.
There's a mini garbage sorting scene with 4 different colored trash cans, a garbage truck, and a small tree nearby.
Hi Yahboom.
I'm here.
I'm a little thirsty after exercise.
I found some mineral water. I'll get it for you right away. The water's ready. Drink some to quench your thirst.
Hi Yahboom.
I'm here.
Record a video.
Okay, I'll start recording now.
Hi Yahboom.
I'm here.
How many carrots were put into the basket in the video?
A total of 5 carrots were put into the basket in the video.
Hi Yahboom.
I'm here.
Let's do a math problem. What is the absolute value of the square root of 100 minus 15 plus 2 squared multiplied by 3?
Let me solve this math problem. The answer is 7. I pointed to the number 7. Mission accomplished.
Hi Yahboom.
I'm here.
What delicious dishes can you make with the ingredients on your table?
Eggs and bitter melon can be used to make stir-fried bitter melon with eggs. Stir-fried bitter melon with eggs is healthy, delicious, and healthy.
Hi Yahboom.
I'm here.
Which fruit on the table has the highest vitamin C content?
I found the lemon, which has the highest vitamin C content. It's in the bottom right corner.
Hi Yahboom.
I'm here.
Can you guess what this English word on the desktop means?
I see the word on the desktop is student, which looks like it means student.
Hi Yahboom.
I'm here.
Please help me find the English word that represents the object on the desktop.
I found it. The English word for the little bus on the desktop is view, S, and it's in the bottom right corner.